welcome to my YouTube channel. Finally, today, nag-church kami. Yung December 7, yung sa church namin, yung gift niya sa akin, hindi talaga yun yung gift. Pero late lang na-arrive, kaya may nakuha siyang water bottle sa akin. Today, nabigay niya sa akin yung pangalan, Ate Isabel at si Ate Pao. First, two gifts, little one, I love this, I think. There's scotch tape. This is gonna be fun. Mama pa yung gunting. Itong gunting. Put it backward. Ang cute! Ang cute! It's a brush, but not ordinary brush. So, my glitters! Ito yung gusto ko sa Hello Kitty, pero bawal kasi masyadong madami. Na yun, star, tsaka pony. Bibbidi bobbidi bibbidi boo. First gift, now, nothing else. Okay? I just put in there. And the large gift. A large gift. Rainbow stripes and butterfly on top. Let's see. I think this is gonna be a book. I was pens and a book. Scissors again.
Comment si Teacher Donna.
Saan? Saan? Donna, Feria, thank you, Aloja, for the gift. Ayan, is it? Where's the golden scissors? Hey! Watermelon. Mama, open this. Here. No. Ow. Huh? Fun activities. Fun activities book and the hairbrush. I'm gonna open the pencils and smell if they are scented. I'm gonna go for this pineapple one. Just one pencil and that is all. They are not scented, but look! I can write this with these. Nice! And put this back in there. Put it with the others. You can put this back up. Perfect! I'm gonna put these beside each other. So let's see. This is my favorite one. The glitters. It's so fun with it. I'm gonna reveal it in 3, 2, 1, go. First, second, big book, and third, pencils. Second. This is actually the first, second, third. Comment down below if what's your favorite